Did you poke out a tail feather? Yeah, you poked out a tail feather. Oh. You plucked this out yesterday, but you still didn't inspect it enough, huh? Oh. Here, I'll hold it while you inspect it. Gotta inspect it. Make sure you get all the goodness out of it. Coco. Coco. Coco, that came out of your butt. Ignoring me. Fine. Are you done inspecting it yet? What are you doing, silly? Give me a kiss. You're done. I'm just gonna give you scratches. Good job on inspecting that feather. It is now very ruffled. We will add it to the jar. Well, we're done with the inspection. No more. No more. No more inspections. Good job.